We're here again, going for a walk in the woods. This is called the CROUGH Wood. This is the entrance.
Cows are not allowed here.
Here are my guys.
And cows are not allowed.
Through the woods. We'll see what's in here. Oh, okay. There's a stream. Whoa. Look at this place.
Okay. Boom, boom. Whoa.
Whoa. I wonder what's this? Ruin. It's a ruin. What do they have here? This seems to be like, you know when a rat is in a lab doing this thing? Looks like that. You know, like a rabbit, kind of
hamster thing.
Hamster sort of exercise treadmill stuff.
It's a wheel.
Wheel, whatever you call it.
It can actually roll.
Hmm.
You want to trade? No. This one does.
We'll go inside there. We'll see what's inside. Yeah.
It's a factory or something.
Possibly.
I might know what it is. That's a sniper.
It's like out of nowhere.
That's a sniper. But there's 3 inside. Huh? I like this thing. That's a sniper.
Oh. It's a big building,
That's a small building.
isn't it?
It's a small building compared to our house.
This is
Roofless.
what do you call it? You know, for the fire, I think.
Oh, chimney?
Can I see?
Could be the chimney.
There you go, because there's a thing.
Nice.
Maybe it's a chimney.
This is where Santa comes down.
Oh.
Oh yeah.
It is a chimney.
Chimney?
Why would Santa go on fire?
chimney.
Let's go.
We have unraveled what's in here. Wow. It's near the
Oh, I
stream.
found a pistol.
Nice one. Huh? Oh God.
We found a sniper.
Can you come over, baby?
Going to the woods now.
So lovely, lovely stream. Okay. We're going. Someone is
What
someone is
Where did it go?
flying a drone.
Where did
And-
it go?
Oh, that is a
Escape tunnel.
no. Well,
bridge.
possibly a skip tunnel, but it's a seaweed. You know, so
Oh.
all the dirt will come to that, and then
Go.
it's gonna go here.
Go.
Now we'll cross the stream again. All right. Now. Which one? This one, GoPro. GoPro, alright. GoPro, yeah. We're crossing the picnic area. I believe you can see table over there and table over here. So in a nice day, sunny, this would be lovely. So we're entering the woods now, mini forests, and as far as I have read online, that the walk in this wood will bring you to the mountain falls. The wood walk is around 2 kilometers, so it's a good distance. Another stream down here. Here is the stream. Hope you're enjoying what you're seeing right now, as we are enjoying ourselves looking at the nature at its best. See that? I mean, can you hear that? It's so calming. The sound of the stream. So nice. Right. We'll be going up more and see what's up above there. Right. I'm sure if you're enjoying, you must be enjoying too. Okay. I'll show you more. Whoa.
Here, it's fresh. Look at that. What is that?
Tree house? No. Someone's house.
No.
Walking through the woods. There's not much people here because most of the people, they actually go up the mountain directly. Most of the people, they drive passing this
Going to Mount Falls.
Mount Falls. Yeah, it's actually just on the side of the road. When you think about it, the road going going up, it's just there. Is there? Oh yeah, we'll have a look there. There's a local here who is walking.
Actually, we swim there for our children.
All right,
It's a swimming pool, yes.
right.
So next year when it gets warm, you go up have a swim.
Have a swim. Oh yeah, yeah.
Yeah, it's nice now.
We'll give it a go next time. Yes. There are lots of benches here, and so lovely. You know, if you find yourself kind of tired a bit,
yes.
and you can
Yeah,
sit down.
we need one or two more.
Oh, one or two more, yeah.
Yeah,
For Bob,
either
yeah.
two, yeah.
I suppose, yeah, it's just nice.
No,
you
put,
know.
put anything you like with drinks up, but don't mention any name or don't.
Perfect. Thank you.
Or don't mention
I
the
won't.
dog.
No, no.
When you see the dog, they know me.
Another spot here wherein you can see the stream. This is probably connected to Mount Falls. I mean, no doubt. This is it. We're here. When we kind of like to relax, the way to do it is just walking through the woods and seeing nature. It's not only woods, but you know, mountains, as you have seen in our previous video. There's more, there's something with the nature. Hearing the sound of the stream, hearing the chirps of the birds, the leaves swishing, swashing. You can find yourself in that sort of space, soothing. Yes. How is that shoe so far from North Face?
Nice. It's very light.
It's our first time to use them today, actually.
Yeah. We got these shoes after
How is it?
boxing holiday.
Okay. Is it
Yeah.
comfortable?
It's very comfortable.
Yeah.
Love it.
Papa, you should know you're wearing the same shoes, don't you?
Yeah, I know.
again. It's him again. Him. Yeah, him again.
Now here's the girls' bench.
Yeah, that's the bench.
You like?
Nice.
Beautiful.
Oh God,
Nice.
you're a handsome bunch. Oh my God.
Now. So the local man said, as you come up to this junction, there's a left and right. So your left will just go probably onto the road, and if you turn right, this will lead you to the Mahon Falls. No, this is the pathway going towards Mahon Falls.
So that's it, guys. We'll go back from here because I think this way is going to Mahon Falls, which is still a bit far. So we better go back this way.
Hope you enjoyed walking with us. Please like and subscribe.